Hey, hi, we're coming at you live. We are here at the Milestone Autism Conference, and this is Miss Lindsey. Oh my gosh, this girl saved me last year. She gave me a ride at the end of a session to the airport, otherwise I would have missed it. She's amazing. And the things that we taught last year, she totally applies.
It was meant to be for April to come into my life and me to get this extra time with her to share with me, impart her wisdom.
Oh my gosh,
so
that's fantastic.
she shared examples of what she does with her kids, and with my 4-year-old son, who has lots of language but doesn't always use it appropriately. I'm a perfectionist, so I want everything to be, well, if it's not the right way, is it really going to work? And you just do it. Just make it work.
Yep.
Take out a piece of paper. I draw a picture for making the smoothie together and the cooking. So sharing an activity, taking turns, making the visual list. It doesn't have to be anything crazy. Like I grab the mark. This is my son's job, and he goes down the list. What do we need for ingredients? He goes to the fridge and says, I need the sauce for the pizza. I need this. And then it's taking what he enjoys. So like there's a show on YouTube and on Google. It's the Bubble Num's Kitchen, right? And let's make a spinning pineapple pizza. So it's using the language that he knows and he's drawn to. And I say, let's make our own spinning pineapple pizza. And then we get out, we don't use pineapples because he doesn't like them, but we get everything out. And then I say, how does it taste? And he says, yum, yum, just like the Bubble Nums do. But it's building on what he knows. It's taking everyday things and turning them into therapy. And it doesn't have to be anything grandiose. It's the everyday. And just exactly. Thank you.
I love this woman. She's amazing. Because when she
inspiring.
goes and she applies the things that are just naturally happening, how's your relationship with your son? Like, what does it do?
It's amazing. Well, now it's always mommy. Because mommy understands, mommy knows, and mommy can interpret.
Right.
But it's better, and it's more joint attention, and it's finding enjoyment together, because that's what you want.
They want to build relationships. They want to know, am I doing
as a parent, you long for that connection, and it's not always hard to break through. But if you identify their interests, and if you find those little ways to build on them and incorporate them into the everyday, every little bit chips away, and your relationship grows.
See, look at that. And now I'm gonna take her in this session today at 11:15. We're gonna go move it to the next level, where it's not just always gonna be with mom, dad, or those adults. We're gonna now connect it peer to peer and build those relationships going that way.
Looking forward to it.
Okay, thank you.